On YouTube channel, we shall be discussing can a law enforcement agent be jailed? You know, when you talk of a law enforcement agent, some people don't understand. It's just a combination of all those people like police, EFCC, all this ICPC, all these law enforcement agents. Maybe if you commit a crime or if you commit offense, even drug enforcement officers, NDLE, all these people are called law enforcement agents. So once they commit an offense, they are being dealt with. If they commit any offense, any of them, depending the level of the offense, if it's just maybe a civil offense, just ordinary offense, maybe you were told to come to work, you refuse coming to work, they put them inside cell. That's what they do then, to treat their fuck up. So within depending the senior officer or their senior that ordered the arrest or the discipline, they call it discipline there. Within some days, depending, or some hours, you may even say put him there for 2 days or 3 days. Sometimes they say don't worry, just put it for him, remove him. He can be brought out of the cell. Depending then, if it is a crime, then if it is a criminal offense, that means it's a serious issue. It is beyond them. It is beyond their office. It has to be taken to court. The court or competent jurisdiction has to convict the person or convict the law enforcement agent. Once it is done, then the person has to be taken to jail. Person has to go to jail and serve his years, depending the years, or depending how the court has, depending the years or penalty the court has already dashed in for him. So that's what matters. But court has to decide. Sometimes court may reduce or increase. That's the power of the court. But once court convicts the person is going in for it. That is the law. Though sometimes Africans are corrupt. I've seen some people that they will put there, but you must go. That's the truth of the matter. But sometimes they may use maybe corruption. Sometimes they will bring the person out. But going there, once court convicts, it is a mandatory. Nothing stops it. Nothing stop. Once court, even president cannot stop it. You know, in a situation, there's another thing that is called there's something that is called in law. Once a case is going on, president has the power to tell Attorney General of Federation to go and stop the case. Once the person has not been convicted, the Attorney General of Federation or Attorney General of the state has the power to come to the court and say the court, let this case discontinue. The case discontinue. That is the law. But if the person is convicted, he does not have the power. The only person that has the power again, maybe chief judge, maybe say he want to go and remove some people who may be wrongly convicted. The person may be brought out. But once the court makes that pronouncement, it's powerful. Nobody stops it. But the Attorney General of Federation or Attorney General of the state has the power even to enter, even that before a court will be about to pronounce that judgment, he can still say, please, I want this case to discontinue. The case discontinue. But the law states that the Attorney General of Federation must go by himself. He doesn't need to send anybody. He has to go by himself. So that is the law. So thank you for listening to my YouTube channel. I still remain on phone to icon. Please subscribe, like, comment, share.